Hey everybody, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. A rather quick video here to show people who have been asking where to find the iBIO Life Sciences Stocktwits Community, which is going to be located at stocktwits.com/SYMBOL symbol / and then all in caps iBIO. So you can go ahead and just enter that into your favorite browser manually, or I've also put in the description down below a link, obviously, to this the Stocktwits community. So you can just click on that in the link in the description below to be directed to the community and go ahead and start looking at the iBIO Stocktwits board. So with that out of the way, let's just dive into some quick technical analysis on iBIO. Just see what looks interesting, see what's potentially happening with iBIO. Interesting little chart here. Looks to be pretty cut and dry right now. The most important trend line I believe we have in play here is the overhead resistance at about $2.61. It looks like this is potentially a nice longer term upward sloping trend line that's been in place since early December 2019. I would really like to have this support hold. If it doesn't, it's not the end of the world, but it would just give me more confidence that the pattern that is emerging here is something that's going to bring us to the upside and eventually out of resistance sooner rather than later. If this support does break, there's really no saying how long and how choppy this could get, how many weeks, how many months, who knows, until we find a pattern here that allows us to go higher and eventually break this resistance at, again, about the 261 area. So that's what I'm looking for, holding of this uptrending support that's been in place since December 19, and hopefully within the next few months a breakout and testing the all-time, well, not the all-time highs, but the highs from July 2020, right about $7.39. Getting some nice volume on these uptrend pushes. So there's definitely hope with iBIO, but the key here is going to be your patience and mine, and just waiting until we get that confirmed breakout of these levels. So let's just dive in very, very quickly to the momentum. This is always something I like to use in concert with my main chart in order to see where potential breakout levels are. You can see just kind of a sloshy, slow pattern here that's developed, which makes a lot of sense with this price action we're seeing here. And again, what I would like to see is really this trend line here. Not the one I just drew, but this one, this upward sloping diagonal support line, really to hold in these levels. Let's see, July, so somewhere meet up here, August, September, somewhere in these levels, and just start working back above this zero line, which is crucial for us to start gaining momentum where we can have one of these nice upside moves again. So let's just watch this upward sloping trend line, see if it holds a support both here and here on the daily time frame. But this would be great if we were able to hold this trend line here, break out, and start giving a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, so we could start hoping to get a retest of those highs from, once again, July 2020. So that's where I'm at on iBIO. Patience is the order of the day over the next couple months. Let's just go ahead and see where this takes us. Look for a breakout of momentum above the zero line, holding this trend line, and just continued, if not holding this particular long-term trend line, just sort of a sideways chop until we can really start building that momentum to break our overhead resistance at the 261 level. So that's where I'm at on iBIO. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the content, go ahead and hit the like button. But most importantly, please subscribe to this channel. I've got lots and lots of great, fantastic technical analysis and other updates on the way. Hit the subscribe button if you like the content. Also hit the bell notification. Doing those two things allows YouTube to know that you enjoy the content and also gives other people the opportunity to see it as well. Again, link for the iBIO Stocktwits board in the description below. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.